Get ready to redefine your smartphone experience. Dive into the world of Samsung's latest innovation, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Say goodbye to curved screens and hello to a design revolution. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the leaked video and explore what the future holds for Samsung's flagship series. Don't miss out on this exclusive sneak peek. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a design revolution in the making. Samsung's flagship series has always been a trendsetter, pushing the boundaries of smartphone design and technology. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it seems Samsung is ready to redefine those boundaries yet again. A leaked video has revealed a significant design change that could set a new standard for future smartphones. Flat display, the new norm? Samsung's ultra-premium series, starting with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, has long been associated with curved screens. The aesthetic appeal of curved displays has been a key selling point for Samsung's flagships. However, a recent video leak suggests a departure from this norm for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The video reveals a flat screen, a stark contrast to the curved displays we've grown accustomed to. The 15-second clip, originally posted on Ice Universe's Twitter feed, doesn't reveal the back of the phone, leaving us with questions about its authenticity. However, the video's subsequent removal lends some credibility to its content. The video clearly shows the Galaxy S24 Ultra sporting a flat display, with no distortion or sloping at the edges. Why the change? While it's difficult to pinpoint the exact reason for this design shift, rumors suggest user complaints about the S Pen's compatibility with the curved screen of the Galaxy S23 Ultra might be a factor. Users reported the S Pen slipping off the edges while writing, a problem that a phone case could potentially solve. However, for those who prefer using their Galaxy S23 Ultra without a case, this could be a significant issue. Camera capabilities. What to expect? The Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera setup remains a mystery, as the leaked video doesn't reveal the back of the phone. Given the reputation of its predecessors as some of the best camera phones on the market, expectations are high for the S24 Ultra's camera capabilities. Rumors suggest a quadruple camera arrangement, but the real question is whether Samsung will replace the usual 10x telephoto camera with a 5x one. While some might view this as a downgrade, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's reliance on artificial intelligence could offset any potential performance issues. Improved image processing and pixel binning technology could further enhance the performance of the 5x telephoto camera. Frame material: titanium or aluminum? The video also gives us a glimpse of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's frame, but it's hard to determine the material. Rumors suggest a titanium frame, which would add durability and reduce weight. However, it could also be the same armor aluminum frame used in previous models. The countdown begins. With only a few days left until the Galaxy Unpacked event, we'll soon have definitive answers about these design changes. We're also eagerly awaiting details about the Galaxy S24 Ultra's siblings, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. Regardless of the specifics, one thing is clear: these devices will set the tone for smartphone releases this year. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to bring you the latest news in the world of tech. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.